everyone. Are you excited to meet in your lesson? Of course. Today we have to study the verb have. Okay, the verb have. Many people take mistakes. It's not. After this video, you don't need to do some mistakes. Okay, let's go to our lesson. Okay, good. Here we have the verb have. Okay? Sounds very great. Okay, here I had the verb have. In the verb have, we have a thing. Okay. Here I have to have a conjugation in the affirmative, in the positive form. Okay, here we have to say I have. Okay? Here, he, she, it. Here we have an exception. Okay? Here we have an exception. It's this. He, she, and it we have has. Okay? Has. Sounds not very good. Here also we don't have an exception. We have have. There is have also. Okay, here we have negative. I haven't, okay? Vent. Good. Here I have he, she, it, has. Here I have hasn't. Okay, good. Here in the final we have the same of I have. Okay, good. Here we have question. Okay, here we have to pass an exception. Okay, here I have to erase this. You like so good. If I forgot, if you use negative, of course you have to use not. Okay, here we don't have. Here apostrophe, it's the O. Okay, note, have not, has not, have not. Okay, but also we can write this. Okay, here I can write have not. Here I can write has not. Here also I can have. Okay. There it's the same thing. Okay, here just like this. Good. Here we have the question form. Okay, here I have to erase like I say. Okay, let's erase. Good. Here also, okay, here I have the positive form. If I want the question form, of course I have to know how the positive. Okay, the affirmative here. Okay, this I have. Okay, here I have. Here if I want the question form, I have to switch. Switch, it means to switch the verb, okay? Switch the verb with the subject. Then we have I, okay? Have I. Here also the pronunciation is very good. Okay, let's move on here. Okay, I have I, okay? Here we switch. It's the key. This is the key of the question form. Okay, here I have he, she, and it has. Here I have the same thing. I have to switch the verb with the subject. Here we have has he, has she, has it. Okay, has it. The pronunciation. We have the alliteration. Okay, let's go. Here we have also like this. Okay, good. Here we have we, you, they. I haven't. Now and have. Okay, here we have also to switch the verb with the subjects. Okay, here we switch. We have we, have you, have they. Okay, etc. And also don't forget the question mark. Yeah, this is the question mark. It's very important in the question. Okay, here we have finished this lesson, but no, not exercise, but I have a layer thing to explore then in this verb, because it's very important. We have an exception is he and she, it. Okay, let's move on to this point. Oh, here I have a thing to show you. It is exactly here. Okay, here I have a thing. Here I have I, we, you, they. We use have or haven't. Okay, in he, she, and it. We use has. Okay, here of the first group. Okay, excuse me. Here in the first, here in the second. Okay, in the first. Okay, in the second. Here I have some examples. Here, the example with I have a hot coffee. Or we haven't this book. Or you have some apples. They haven't the dinner. Okay, let's move on to the second group. Yeah, with has examples. Here we have he hasn't some bread. She has two sisters. Okay, excuse me. With W. Oh, two sisters. Here I have it. It has some money, like in a backpack or in a bag. You can say. I have an example. Here it is. This example. Okay, like this sounds very great. Okay. Okay. Good. Here I have an example. Okay. Here with my just an example with my friend Amy. I pick a bag. Okay. I saw a bag and I told her, this bag, it has some money here. I have an example. This bag, okay. This bag, it has some money, okay. This bag, okay. Here I have the example. Just zoom. It has some money, okay. I just talk about this bag. There he is. I have my wallet, okay, and here's money. Okay, let's go. Here I have some examples. I hope it sounds very great. He and she is for the persons, like Amy, father, mother, etc. It's for objects, bag, pencil case. This pencil case, I have another other example. This pencil case, it has some crayons, okay, or some pencils, etc., or some markers, or some erasers, okay. It's for objects, no move. Okay, we have finished this lesson. Okay, I hope this video is very exciting and it's very important for you. Okay, we have finished this lesson. Here we have some things to show you about verb have. It's a very exciting lesson. Okay, I see you in another video with other subjects and also others languages. Okay, goodbye, and now subscribe to my channel and make likes if you like the video. Okay, let's go. I have to finish my exercises. Go. See you in this in another video.